Now let's try something in between. Okay, maybe 2.5. Alright, so you take 2.5, so 2.5 square minus 5 times 2.5, alright, plus 6. What do you get? I need a calculator. You know about quadratic inequalities? Something like this. Alright. Basically, people ask, when will this be equal to 0? Or when will this be positive? Or when will this be negative? Basically, if you take a quadratic inequality like this, okay, how are you going to solve this? Okay, you see, you have this inequality, quadratic inequality. What is the first step? The first step is to factorize. Alright, how do you factorize? Your crisscross method. Okay, you have x squared, so you have an x and an x. Okay, your crisscross method, you have a 6. So basically, I need a 5. So it's going to be 3 and a 2. Alright, so this one will give you 2x and this one is going to give you 3x. But I need a negative, so it's going to be negative. Negative is going to give you negative 5x, and negative is going to give you positive 6, and this is going to give you x squared. So basically, I factorized. Alright, so what's the factorization of this? Will be x minus 3, x minus 2 is greater than 0. First step completed. Okay, second step. Okay, this is greater than 0. So you need to find the intervals for this. Basically, what you do, you equate to 0. So now x equal to 3 and x equal to 2 are the 2 points that you must be wary of, and you're going to use that to draw your number line. Step number 3. Alright, after getting the 2 critical points, you're supposed to draw the number line and mark the points out first. Alright, so you have the number line. Alright, and I have my these 2 points marked out. Now you see, I can segregate this into 3 regions. Alright, one is anything before 2, anything after 3, alright, and anything between 2 and 3. Now what we are going to do, we're going to test out the region which will satisfy that quadratic inequality. Okay, step 4. We are now testing out which region. You know, there's 3 regions, right? Which region is going to satisfy that particular quadratic inequality. So let's take a number which is before 2. Alright, let's take 1, alright, or even 0. It must be easier. Alright, now if I take x equal to 0, alright, will it satisfy that inequality? So you get what? 0 square minus 5 and plus 6. Now you get what? 6 is greater than 0. Is it true? Yes, it is true. Alright, it is true. Okay, now let us try any values between, above 3. Maybe x equal to 4. Alright, x equal to 4. Now you have 4 squared minus 5 times 4, alright, plus 6. Alright, you have plus 6. So it'll give you 16 minus 20 plus 6, okay, which is going to give you 26 minus 20, which is greater than 0. Alright, so these regions also satisfy this equation. Am I right? Okay, now let's try something in between. Okay, maybe 2.5. Alright, so you take 2.5, so 2.5 square minus 5 times 2.5, alright, plus 6. What do you get? I need a calculator. Okay, so we got 2 regions which satisfy. Anything lesser than 2, anything greater than 3. Alright, it satisfies. Now let's try, okay, a number between this 2 and 3. Alright, let's take 2.5. Okay, so 2.5 square minus 2.5 plus 6. Okay, this will give you 6.25 minus 12.5 plus 6, which is negative 1.25, which is definitely not greater than 0. So it doesn't satisfy. So this one satisfy, this one satisfy, this one doesn't satisfy. So it's very easy. Can you see? This one satisfy, this one don't satisfy, this one satisfy. So what is my final answer? My final answer is x is smaller than 2, x is greater than 3. Easy? Save this method. It works for every quadratic inequality. Okay, I'm going to give you another one more. You try it out and comment below. Okay, x square minus x minus 6 is smaller than 0.